Jesus never turned water into wine. It's a parable. 4 elements correspond with your 4 bodies of consciousness. Fire is your spirit, earth is your body, air is your mind, water is your emotions. Turning water into wine is turning an emotion into a physical reality because your emotions are energy in motion. Your brain and your mind are 2 separate things. Your mind is the fabric of the universe itself. It's purely metaphysical. Thoughts are not made of atoms. Your mind is the universe. It creates everything. This was a thought before it is a physical reality. Thought creates matter. The central nervous system in the body is the machine. Every thought you think produces an emotion in the heart, and the heart creates the electromagnetic field around the body and turns the emotion into energy in motion. Your emotions create your vibration, and your vibe attracts your tribe. Your vibe attracts your reality.
Now, the thing that you have to do is to actually reposition the hierarchy of importance when it comes to the aspect of reality creation, because your emotion is the majority of your frequency. Now, emotion is energy that is in perpetual motion. That emotion releases a energetic signature, which we call a vibration. That vibration compounds and builds up into a frequency. That frequency corresponds and is matched with the equivalent resonating reality. Your emotions is more important than you could ever imagine. Like, you need to fucking understand what I'm saying. Your emotions are more important than you could ever imagine. And I want you to think about it like this.
They taught us that emotions are just reactions that we have to the external world, and this is completely false. The external world is the effect of our emotions. Our emotions are the cause that creates things. So we need to become the reality we want in emotion and in thought and in imagination. You must think it, you must say it, you must believe it with your whole heart. Just like you know the sun is going to rise, that's how much you should know your desired reality. And that is how you produce effect in your external world. You must have no contradiction with your inner dialogue.
Once you start recognizing these loops that have happened throughout life and different experiences from different emotions, because that's the ultimate common denominator to everything, emotions. We all have the same emotions. Every single one of us has the same emotions. But it's the life experiences that change from person to person about that emotion. But if we are stunted in our way of being able to talk about our emotional experiences, we're not going to be able to have the full grasp